wagon wheel feeder for chickens. Hello, my name is Jersey. I'm going to show you how easy it is to convert a wagon wheel for a feeder for your chickens. And this is a wagon wheel we got off of Facebook Marketplace for $75. Ray, how did you install that in the ground?
Took a piece of all thread with a washer and a nut, and so it can still spin. I just drove it in the ground about a foot.
Ray, can you wiggle the net so they can see the net? And this protects them because when they're eating, they're not thinking about the hawks. So we installed it underneath the netting. We took some screw hooks, bent it over, stuck them into the end of the corn cob. Then we have natural sisal twine that we're going to tie on our wagon wheel. We always have fresh water by, and then the girls can eat their corn cobs. These are non-GMO corn from Whole Foods, and I steamed them, kept the corn, and I like to give them the corn cob, and I like to hang it because it keeps it clean and off the ground. We also hang a hook, and we hang cabbage for them. And there's the cabbage. My girls are like children. They like to play with their food, and they always like to be amused. That's why I'm always introducing new things to them. This is the first time of them being introduced to this, and I'm pretty happy the way they are going at it. There's enough for all of them. They'll all go to the same one. They'll spread out eventually. There she goes. Oh, Penny, I wasn't bending down, baby. They also have a water inside, but for some reason they like the one outside. Sometimes we put treats in there and they'll go inside the log and eat it. And I will take them down at night because I don't want critters climbing the fence like raccoons and squirrels and stuff. So I'll take them down and put them in the compost when the girls go to bed. Drop a comment below. Do you have anything like this for your chickens, and do they like it? Please subscribe, hit that bell, all notification, and don't forget to share on social media. And this is Jersey saying see you on the next video.